Afwai matek lutua man matin ni abicwalo both one mon weng matye ki stages mapapat ikwom. Awinyo gire wan mon wamaro bole kekenwa ni amyero ati matek abed independent, abed financial stable, which is not bad. But remember ni there's stage for everything. Pigti ngao mo mafoli ni kitiyo matek over 40 years and bedo ki yom chuiny kon ngo la bon la cho kon ngo nyo kitie itiki tiana digi jiwe you independent. Oni tuan log go pa mo fole ke kenwa ani chunywa wan ng'eyo deep inside ni wan wape mabe igina kire enini. Do get wa log. So my advice to young girls, young ladies, we are bepe go por vu ma wan jo kenengo wa por yeni. Pian sometimes we know mama pobi wachi logada. Ini bi tamani ada but ichwin ngat oni ye ngat oni ngo pe ki yung chwin. Weka wachi ni ti matek in chalo daro bene ka ni mi yape ke ker ini pe kan kwan yape mo asia yo gimi chari piari wa biti matek olo to mi piara der bene ne ngo ite seto kila cho iti nene we ki no wota ngato mo ken my nen ngat initi serious kiri pol anti twal but ki nene ti with a clear vision tika nyim and be tika to te pita mon ma ubera bera cho ti to te pia nyim no mati yele o pia nyime in be tika yele my nen tiki miyere mi ada mi kato ini art bete alamera settling on my bed don't ti o wona rio oni ki nen la choma wien yang I'm not saying ne for a chat kila cho mo ke ken no but la cho ma in nen ti focus and determined je bete gangi pingo mo vul ni ati chane ni beta be ko ngot chen oni ibi eni nga wilonga ki cho mo kana dare idi nana we ne ti o mater and pay wa ki yung chuin e kun chane ni oni because equal enemy for a balancing of 50-50. It will be kichana and okay pay kila cho because gin maruba you ni for very ko down well banoni Adam can be twelve well kilo ift. Remember those days no Jimmy went tie me no repege willa but in chow down and mero ngatumo ikuni we ready complete lewa chulo mane tum mabe iti nano newe but ke in be mi ka vole ka take chana cho bi mo do ta cho bi no but remember that intention is too different kingoma in the metone because the cho my can ma charu down ma do you po ma be ki don down my nendum from 38 years and anyin manara da ma cho ki mami ada duwo go we cho ki mere pingo ma da oni ngo tikere and to pigiti chani ki mami ada en wini mondo mu kan ma do ra eni mera penyu chana pian kar mon ma fo ki chuni mi beri achalo down do karo one man will take stages at the ko maki well stages on karewe ibi lanye and sometimes you end up being frustrated kitchen na makonyepe the first step down from 17 years me 22 e on furi cho manak taking kin serious pen ngin in football ngi painting mir maduong e on foot mostly pigitari but down from 22 to 20 to 30 years only don't show in ready to our very art. Then down from 35 years, Mitchell de Forte, Chorongin, either in a tiki kirama where po very art, on your mogononga, mogo kire, on your mogono gangin, you tiki paramo, ti taking, they don't take serious, give you no picture and helping me settling, me perukiri art. So King and Mo when you lock teacher in my ang jo on pigi mero choy ko gi jo mati fote don giti nyo chole wa in matiri because don magaro charo ka karo ji when don't it too late don't for them what chan again don't go pitwa making gin happy iti nano we in chalo da mel la choy kun an la cho bitika meto daro ti imwa mane cha from 22 years me or 30 years la mara ke ne pe is school tota nong la choy beto ker arka pe ti wa bi yinyu cho te terma sometime po bedo yote twal iti nana we cho wan bi bian mana chara in you everything get expired in this world you will get expired you know that we 45 years remember you expired iti nana we kitwer will get cherry chok that will expire things kinga mo kwa ma pe mere expiring things Bole will do. Kin nan ma o chamo la bo you lucky one ki chamo man pi karo twin you lucky you be taken serious. iti nene ma ngat no ni ngo after all kiri do take it for that akero don ke manu but remember that is a chance ono pero guma ke wayne gumu kaya mama na ada dama da taking them serious most of the time jobi kuoge pingo magiti kere because they've made it in life but pin mama ti so we are watching mama ti give me my bear from 22 years to 30 something can but beyond 35 ma ono matine don't man ada so we are not contented at all it in I'm single and contented. It's a big lie. Ki you contented. Pinga free che vur ki cho wow. Pinga che vur ki cho pal wiru. Pinga che ka vur look because someone who is contented don't put me again own kiri mi vura ka can make out mirror. It in anyway because ne ini pe contented we are fully email la cho no timigin eni email la cho ma be ma ko chen luoni eni la cho na so we vole wana nyar matina ti mi utami no pe ki cholo. Iti nano newe ngato ta serious will not regret ngato ter mena ko ti chane ni chane pe wilo gi mo kene ko la mera chane pe wilo gi mo ke ken e ko iti nano ne ko enini for bet 50-50 la cho wo bet nyu da wo bet chan wo bet ba pida re beto be chana e re pe wa ke da be beto ke chane pe wa la cho wa ko nya chane ko nye pe wa yu ga be pe mer so I would you niki nene tik la chomo mati serious kiri. At 25 years me or 35, my dear, settle. Settle. Don't wait near frati tiu chana. Sometimes iriam chana ko e pino. I ngomon mo yawo foundation ne kala chomo mata betwal lon dak wirio. Iti nane ki wait ya chel piti mo ngo. Tiari or koya tiki yung chin bene. I'm not forcing anyone to go and settle kamanunga yung chin pay ye. Bangan ma irina way ti serious. Ikuoni. Afo video nga lore obiri maduong parwa yabo wangwa. Kape chama wati to miti ke mataro ben we pleasing cho. We are bed kedwa you are for kedwa go cho mirwa you are tim gi money ma wan wa merone. No one is contented without a man or a woman. It's a big lie and let's stop deceiving ourselves.